Hello, 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 it is me, Archive7, and today we're gonna be reacting to SMG4 Mario screws in a light bulb. Alright, let's just jump right into it. I'm eating my noodles right now. So yeah, let's just continue.
I love you too. I love you too, SMG4.
Oh, hey guys, if you haven't heard yet, we have released our very first two animated figurines. First you got your boy here, SMG4, and you also got a special skin, Lawyer Maggie. She's limited stock and only here for those of you who watch the Losu arc and Wattfree 2022. There's only 3 days left to get 15% off, so quickly go get it now at SMG4.
Man, I want them so bad.
We're gonna go to the video now. Woo!
This is so nice.
What is this? Oh.
Mario!
Eto, sono lavato, l'abito. Hello.
Why?
No, I'll fix it. I did it! Well, thank God I have a spare.
God damn it, I can't believe. What the SMG4 doing? Ooh.
Just hold this totem, then I'll go home. Mario, we all know things are gonna end up on fire if we do anything. Please just stand there and be useless.
Mamma mia.
Oh no.
So long, Toad.
Oi, keep it still, Toad!
Yep.
So this is how I die.
Oh. Tapi para to trabaho, tudo.
Yeah, right, Mario. You're ADHD, huh?
Don't mean.
My name is Cleveland Brown. My name is Cleveland Brown.
Mario, goddammit, hold it still!
My name is
Okay.
Okie dokie. Easy for me. Oh, you got the Mario thinking now.
Oh, really? Is that the no? Damn. What?
Oi, Mario, hold it still!
Toad?
You little
Right in the fingers. Ain't no way, bro. Oh my. Oh my god. Slap. Oh, bonk.
Well, that was the only ladder we had.
Oh, you got the Mario thinking now.
How the hell? Okay. Okay, Mario.
I'm in danger.
Shoot it down.
Oh my.
Spider pig, spider pig.
Damn. What the heck? Oh. It's all wood.
I gotta do it, man.
This guy. This freaking toad. I swear. Oh my god, that face! No! Damn.
What the hell is wrong with you?
Oh my god, that light bulb though.
It's no use, Mario. Doesn't look like we can fix the light bulb.
Oh, mamma mia.
Break the laws of physics? What the? What now?
Hey, stop that! Come here, come here.
No, Gma cheat.
Eto, sono lavato, l'abito.
Mario, screw the damn light bulb in.
Hey. Doesn't fit. It's the wrong light bulb the whole fucking time. This has triggered me, bro.
What do you mean it's not working?
Eto, sono lavato, l'abito.
Just force it in.
Huh?
Okie dokie.
I thought someone was outside. Oh, that ceiling is gonna break.
Let there be light.
The whole Earth?
Oh, poop.
Oh.
Good evening.
Wow, I hate that.
Well, this is bad. Okay, dude. Really? Yeah, no.
Touch me. Can't touch me.
Oh. Damn.
Better scramble like an egg before you get folded like an omelet.
Damn, Mario got double tagged. Oh.
We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Luigi saves the day?
Huh?
Hey!
I'm a superstar.
Ghostbusters?
No, not really.
Luigi, we're so happy to see you.
Hey.
Just wanted to replace a light bulb, and now the power's out.
Go, Luigi. Tomara totoro so rebaro.
Giant super light bulb? What?
Operas ko ng barangay ko na maraming teatro na maturo na mga sunan pa ng kaya. Potono tunita na tunna na sana to ng kanarang sana na sarate no na rapetani tiniti.
Is that from the actual game?
It's pretty convenient you had this on you then, huh?
No, sinete pono konete no tonete. New Super Luigi Mansion full.
New Super Luigi Mansion 4. Okay, what the?
Looks like it's up to us then.
Alright. I bet. Yeah.
Get that mother.
Again. Maximum Zuck. Oh! I've Toad. Oh. Damn. I don't know these ghost characters. Oh, Depresso. What was that? Oh, damn. What are those pills? Ow.
Oh,
Yeah, boy.
Boy. Oh.
Oh, okay.
What?
Defeated now, bitch!
Hey yo, Depresso, what are those drugs for? Oh, that's kinda, no, that's kinda cursed. Nah. Nah, nah. Nope, nope, nope. Damn, these animations though.
Huh?
What is that? Is that the power plant? I mean, the power grid? Screw it in.
That's right. Take that, losers.
Is something supposed to happen? Or what?
Eccolo tutto, è sembrete.
What? No! This was meant to work! Come on, you stupid piece of...
Oh man, well. Alright. We are fucked.
Error. Cannot suit.
Battery empty. Okay, this is not going to work at all.
Oh, yung mamma
Maybe
mia.
we could be friends instead. What? I'm tired of being using. Huh. Wait, what?
Mario, I told you already! Toad won't work!
Shh. That was loud. Toad. What?
I did it. I saved the world.
Well, that was a load of shit.
What an episode. What a random episode. Oh, that's a cool art of fan art by Cutesy. And thank you for the sponsors as well. First of all, Toad is a god. Nah, he is just a normal lamp, I guess. Well, alright, that's it for today's episode of SMG4, I guess. I've been busy. I've been very busy. I need to watch Hell of a Boss. I need to watch anime, Spy Family, and other stuff, I guess. So yeah, I've got a meeting in 12 a.m. Wait, I mean 2 a.m. So yeah. Oh. So yeah, I need to record everything fast. But today's episode is so random, but sure, why not? It's an SMG4 episode, so what could go wrong? Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of SMG4. So yeah, goodbye!